In 2026, the best Adirondack chairs balance the classic recline silhouette with modern low-maintenance materials like high-density polyethylene (HDPE). These high-performance versions are UV-resistant, weatherproof, and won't rot or splinter like traditional wood. Starting at number 1, King Yes Folding Adirondack Chair. The King Yes Folding Adirondack Chair is a premium outdoor seating solution designed for durability and convenience in any climate. Crafted from high-density polyethylene (HDPE), it features a realistic wood-textured finish in navy blue that offers the classic aesthetic of timber without the risks of rotting, peeling, or fading under UV exposure. Its standout feature is a foldable design paired with a discreet built-in cup holder, making it as practical for winter storage as it is for summer relaxation by the pool or fire pit. Engineered with a waterfall front seat edge to reduce leg pressure and a 3/80 hull weight capacity, this chair combines ergonomic comfort with industrial-grade stability. The use of 304 stainless steel hardware ensures that the joints remain rust-free and secure even in high moisture or coastal environments, providing a virtually maintenance-free piece of furniture for your backyard or deck. Number 2, Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair. The Plodlick Folding Adirondack Chair is a high-durability outdoor seat engineered from premium, SGS-tested high-density polyethylene (HDPE) to ensure it meets rigorous safety and environmental standards. Designed to mimic the natural grain and aesthetic of real wood, this chair is completely weather-resistant, meaning it will not rot, splinter, or fade even when exposed to intense UV rays or heavy rain. Its versatile folding mechanism allows for effortless storage and portability, while the integrated space-saving cup holder adds a layer of convenience for poolside or backyard relaxation. With a heavy-duty build that offers exceptional stability on grass, decks, or sand, and a contoured waterfall seat designed for long-term ergonomic comfort, this chair provides a sophisticated, maintenance-free seating solution for any fire pit or lawn setting. Number 3, Muchengi Folding Adirondack Chairs. The Muchengi Folding Adirondack Chair is a robust and low-maintenance outdoor seating option designed for year-round durability. Built from high-density polyethylene (HDPE), this chair is engineered to resist common outdoor issues like cracking, peeling, rotting, and UV-induced fading, making it an ideal choice for fire pits, decks, and gardens. Its space-saving foldable design allows the chair to be stored flat by simply pulling a securing pin, while the integrated retractable cup holder hidden under the armrest offers added convenience without cluttering the chair's classic silhouette. With a sturdy 380 weight capacity and an ergonomic design featuring a high backrest and wide armrests, it provides a comfortable and secure lounging experience for users of all sizes. Assembly is straightforward, typically taking 15-30 minutes with the included hardware, resulting in a heavy-duty weather-resistant chair that maintains its gray wood-like finish with just a simple soap and water cleaning. Number 4, Surwall Folding Adirondack Chair. The Surwall Folding Adirondack Chair is a premium outdoor seating solution that meticulously replicates the texture and aesthetic of natural wood while offering the superior durability of high-density polyethylene (HDPE). This navy blue model is engineered to be fade-resistant and weatherproof, ensuring it won't rot, crack, or peel even when left out year-round in harsh environments. A key feature is its highly functional dual-purpose armrest, which includes 2 integrated cup holders and a dedicated mobile phone slot to keep your essentials secure and accessible. Built for stability, the chair supports a robust 380 hull weight capacity and uses 304 grade stainless steel hardware to prevent rust and structural wear. Its convenient folding design allows the chair to be collapsed flat by simply removing a securing pin, making it easy to store during the off-season or transport for a weekend getaway. With an ergonomic 105-degree backrest angle and a waterfall front seat, it provides a supportive, high-comfort lounging experience that requires virtually zero maintenance beyond a simple rinse with soapy water. Number 5, Yefu Adirondack Chairs. The Yefu Adirondack Chair set offers a high-durability, low-maintenance seating solution designed for rapid setup and long-term outdoor performance. Constructed from high-impact, high-density polyethylene (HDPE), these chairs provide the classic aesthetic and texture of real wood, but are impervious to rot, splinters, and UV-induced fading. A standout feature of this set is the 5-step easy installation process. With much of the unit pre-assembled, users can can typically have both chairs ready for use in under 20 minutes. These chairs are engineered with a heavy-duty frame that won't blow away in high winds and feature a high ergonomic backrest and wide armrests for maximum comfort by the fire pit or poolside. Finished in a deep navy blue, the Yefu chairs use weather-resistant hardware to ensure structural integrity across all seasons, providing a sophisticated and reliable addition to any patio or deck.